Everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're at the Cryptopolitan, your one-stop shop for all news when it comes to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. I'm your host, Satoshi Shawn. Glad you're here. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. We try to get news reports out to you every day and a weekend report as well. And we're doing coin analysis for you like once or twice a week, um, maybe 3 times if the markets are interesting, and they have been interesting. So that's what I'm doing today. If you're an old subscriber or a new subscriber, please crush the like button. Really helps us out with YouTube's algorithm and getting our voice out there. Um, Today, I wanted to go over Bitcoin Cash. I went over before. Bitcoin Cash, I think, is one of the most interesting uh, cryptos that there is, whether you love it or hate it. I think that when it comes to Satoshi's vision versus Bitcoin Cash, I don't really think there's much of a comparison. I think Bitcoin Cash is actually trying to keep with Satoshi original vision. I don't really trust the people involved with SV, but that's just my personal opinion. I do like Roger Ver. I think I'm going to be doing an interview with him next week. But that aside, the marketing with Bitcoin Cash is 10 times better than. But really, if you look at any crypto, I think it's the best marketing. Roger Ver can almost be annoying with pushing it so hard. But especially in Asia, a lot of people in the United States don't really see the things that they're doing out there. Massive promotion. During the Hong Kong riots, they were handing out bottles of water everywhere, and they had Bitcoin Cash logo on it. Um, as far as being accepted in most places, hands down, they are accepted in more places than anyone, than definitely Bitcoin or most of their cryptos. So that being said, like I said, I think they're very interesting, but they're not without controversy at all. So that is what I think has kind of hit the price lately. And it has been up and down over the past month. It was down to I think 180 something, 104. I know it was in the hundreds. So let's look. What is today's the 22nd? So yeah, March 16th. Yeah, $135. That is that's a huge. It's almost That's almost a 1x. Um, is that the low? Yeah, 135. I think was the low point. That's almost 100% in the past month that you would have got with that. I know there's a few places you can leverage that. God, if you 10x that would be amazing. Which if you didn't at 135, then you're an idiot, Sean. But even now, 232, it's not, and it did get hit recently. I think one of the reasons it did get hit, and that these statistics do not look good. They're bearish signals. It doesn't look good, and I think that's because of more fundamental than technical analysis. Bitcoin Cash just had its halvening, and Roger Ver turned off his miners, which killed the hash rate by 80%. So that is not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Shows a lot of centralization when it comes to the network. It was susceptible to a 51% attack by I think Bitmain, just because they had that much hash power. So all of those things drove the price down. But those really huge actors, they're not really that. You shouldn't trust anybody, but they're not like unknown, um, an unknown group. So I think that these things are gonna change, and it's gonna come back. I do think it's very much tied to Bitcoin. So over the next month, I think we're gonna go sideways and dip hard, especially after the halvening. But I think overall, Bitcoin Cash is going to be moving up within the next 30 to 90 days. I think it's going to be I'm bullish on it. I am bullish on Bitcoin Cash over the next 90 days. You can just look at this last dip. It's 100% almost. What is it, like 90%? From 130 to 230. It's at least 80%. I think that we're looking at something like this again. I think we're looking at another dip and then bouncing back. And I do think Bitcoin Cash, because of the team veer and the promotion is going to be one of the leaders over the next few months when it comes to the peer-to-peer cash and spending. If you disagree or agree, let me know in the comments. Please crush the like button once again. I'm Satoshi Sean. It was good hanging out with y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.